everyone, start off by drawing a circular shape. On top of this, add double layered ears, add eyes to it, and then afterwards a little snout and a mouth as well. Now draw the mane of the lion all around the head as such. Underneath it, you may proceed on and then draw the feet of this lion. Draw the body behind it, connect each of the pieces, and then add the tail at the back. Next, we'll start off by drawing this S shape. Draw the N in order to make the mouth, draw another S to make the middle of the body, add an eye to it, and then draw V shapes in order to make the fins. Add the tail at the back as well. Make it look like this dolphin is balancing a little ball on it. Color it accordingly. Next, we'll start off by drawing the number 3, add a 3 within the 3, and then complete the rest of the face in the front. Add an eye to it and then draw on the ears at the back. After this, add on the legs underneath it, the arms as well, and then afterwards add a long tail coming out from the back. Next, in order to draw this giraffe, we'll start off by drawing the number 9, add a 6 underneath it, and then add these little ears at the top, add the eyes, and then a little snout, or rather the nostril. Now after this, add polka dots all around the bodies, draw the long legs coming out from underneath the body. Now add the tail to the back of it as well. In order to make a whale, we'll start off by drawing this S shape, afterwards draw on the fin on either side, draw this in the middle of the body, and then afterwards add the smile and then the eye as well. Now draw on the rest of the belly, the fin at the back, and then afterwards make it look like water is coming out of the back. Color this in. Next, we'll start off by drawing a 1 and then add this curved line to it. Now add another curved line to it in order to make the back portion of the body. Add the eyes to it and then a little mouth. Make this the expression. Add the arms and make it look like it is pointing out. Add a heart shape and then draw on the back of the dinosaur. Start off by drawing this W shape, or it can also be a 3 shape, and then afterwards draw 2 more on either side facing each other, add the ears on either end, and then afterwards draw on the eyes. Now add a little snout to it, add the body, and then while drawing the body, make a 6 shape and then 2 ones. Connect the feet to it and then add a little tail at the back. Start off by drawing a circular shape, add a 6 shape underneath it and then 2 ones. Afterwards, add the ears at the top. Add eyes to this and then afterwards a little snout and a mouth accordingly. Add the feet to it as well. Afterwards, add the detailing to the feet, add a large tail at the back. Now add the whiskers, do not forget to do so, and then you may proceed on, and then draw the patterns all over the body of this little cat. Color it wherever required. Start off by drawing this 3 and then draw 3 for the ears as well. Draw 3 for the back and then afterwards draw the little legs and the arms as well. Add the eyes, a little snout, and then afterwards make it look like it is holding a carrot upside down. Now color it in accordingly. Color the ears in pink and then the cheeks as well. In order to draw this frog, we'll start off by drawing 2 twos opposite facing. Draw a downward facing V as well, add eyes to this, afterwards add the lines on its body. Now complete the legs as such, complete the feet portion of it as well. Draw arms on either side. Next, start off by drawing a 5, add a 0 and a 0 right beside it. Afterwards, add a circular shape above it, add ears at the top and then add the eyes underneath. Now, afterwards, add a little mouth to it and then connect the 5 to the front as such. Add the feet underneath it, add the detailing to it and then color the ears and the cheeks in pink accordingly. Start off by drawing a V shape, draw a wider V shape and then draw a W shape to connect the two. Now add a curved line at the top, add ears to it as well, and then add inner linings to the ears. Add this little snout, add a 2 and then 2 ones. Now after you're done with this, then draw the tail at the back, add a W in order to make the tail. Thank you for watching.